I believe that every single one of you has got some amazing things that you can share with your audience. You know what? You've got to have purpose. If your purpose is that you want to go over here to share the fact that everything's rosy, fine, that's absolutely fine, but have a purpose rather than just doing it for the sake of it. I want you to find your particular style, and I want you to love your character, your persona, the way that you share information with other people. When we are speaking to other people and when we're speaking on stage, we are going to want to show that we are confident, that we're credible, all of those things. And this sort of posture will assist with that. So you need to put your feet hip width apart and go forward and back and try and put the weight onto your feet. So the balls of your feet, the heels. If you've got a big smile on your face, it might not help, but think about how you can use your face to define what you're saying. I believe that we should speak so it's as easy as possible for other people to listen and understand us. But we could add variety by having pauses. Now, when we use our hands, we might be using pauses. So if I'm doing this, it can help with those pauses. So my aim today was to inspire you. I want you to embrace who you are, your character, and to think about some of those basic communication points that you could polish to become the best version of you and to stand out. Good luck.